Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install LibreOffice 25.2, that is the latest version on Ubuntu 24.04, but the process is same on all Ubuntu operating systems. First verify whether we have any LibreOffice application comes as default application. Click on start. See here we don't have any application with LibreOffice. So open any web browser, go to LibreOffice official website, that is LibreOffice.org. See here the latest release is LibreOffice 25.2. Click on download, then click on download LibreOffice. Then select the .debian package. .debian is for Ubuntu or Debian type operating system. So select it and click on download. If you want older versions, scroll down. See here we have the older versions. Okay. So the latest stable release is 25.2. So click on download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 197 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to download, CD, downloads, ls. See here we have the unzip file. We have to unzip this file by running the command tar-xvf. Then give the libre, give the tab to autofill entire zip file and hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Go to LibreOffice folder, ls, go to debs, ls, go to debs again, go to debs, ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages. We have to install these packages. So install them. Ctrl L, sudo dpkg-i *.deb. Hit enter. Then provide the password of sudo user. See, installation is completed. Now go to show applications. See here, before we don't have these LibreOffice applications. See, LibreOffice means it is like MS Office Access. Calc means it is like MS Office Excel. Writer, see, writer means it is like MS Office Word. Okay, click on Calc. See, now it is opening Calc application. It is like MS Excel. See, we got the Calc applications. Okay, now go up, ls, go up one more, ls. We have successfully installed, so these files are not required anymore. So rm, give the libre, give the tab, underscore, give the zip file, hit enter. Also remove this extracted directory, rm-rf, then give libre, hit enter. This is the one way. The other way is, if you go to App Center, you search for LibreOffice, click on LibreOffice, then you have to select the version. But here we don't have the latest version. Okay, select the version and click on install. This is another way. One more. If you want to verify the version, go to Calc, help, about LibreOffice. See, we have installed LibreOffice 25.2. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install LibreOffice 25.2 on Ubuntu 24.04. But the process is among all Ubuntu operating systems. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.